Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you another what's in my bag. Today I have this beautiful bag that I got from Coee bags. So I chose this print this time. I have the denim bag in the same style that I got from Coee bags. And they were so nice to send me another bag and for me to review it. And it is a very good quality bag. This is an honest review. This is a good size bag, very big, but still not too big. So this is the side, the front, the back, and the side. And this little strap can go in there. And this is the handle. Let me turn it this way. Probably have it on there. That's the handle. And it is so nice, y'all. I love it. This is my favorite print. I've been a fan of this print for a very long time. I have this little doggy here. So cute. Okay, so let's open her up. This is the inside. And I love the way this feels. This is so soft, kind of like a soft cloth velvet. And I love the color. Very pretty. It has a zipper compartment and then 2 slots. And nothing on this side, no pocket on this side. This was protected very well. It had this little cap right here on it. And I love the way they protect their items. So that's that. Turn it back around. Okay, first, let's take this out. Okay, y'all, so in the cosmetic bag I have some strawberry dental floss that I got from Ross. My Melody Handy Dandy Cream, and it's in the scent of strawberry cake by the Creme Shop. Sally Henson Cuticle Massage Cream. This Alchemy Lengthening and Voluming Mascara. Got this hair wrap here. Hair tie with a pearl on it. I have a mirror with my initial. Some Nivea lip balm. Carryall wipes. A panty liner. A Shout Wipe and Go. And this beautiful perfume spray bottle that I got from AliExpress. And I just have some Bath and Body Works spray in here. I forgot what scent. But isn't that beautiful? And then I have Hello Kitty Band-Aid. And I have this heart-shaped emery board. Put that right there. So I have this cute wallet. And it just has a little cash and my cards in here. And it's a zipper here for change, of course. I love zip around wallets, y'all. Those are my favorite. I have this antibacterial spray from Bath and Body Works, and it's in champagne toast. I have my Hello Kitty pill container. And it has some Hello Kitty Band-Aids and my vitamins. Vitamins and Prilosec. I got this cute little Coach fragrance bag. And it has some Coach perfume in it. And it smells good. I got this little My Melody case, and it has, I got this from Shein, and it has some cute little pink Q-tips in it. I have this pencil case, and it has Gucci floral perfume. I have this cute diamond ink pen that I got from the Dollar Tree. I got this Ellen Tracy lip gloss. I got this from Marshall's. Isn't that pretty? I have this ink pen. It's a Candy Pop gel pen. I have this pen that says Hope. And I love the way this pen writes. I have this Eco Tools, and this is an eyebrow brush and comb. I have this cherry lip gloss. This is a Revolution Satin Kiss lip liner. And then I have this cute little pink heart ink pen that I got from Temu. And that's how that is. Has a cute little charm. Got my keys here. I have this cute mirror. I got this from Temu. And I don't want to, of course, turn it around and blind you, but it's like supposed to be like ice cream. Got this little case here from Temu as well. And inside, I just have some candy. And got Werther's, and then I got Lifesavers. And I also have a cough drop in here. Gotta have a little candy, y'all. I have this cute little Hello Kitty calculator. So it's a calculator and it has a mirror on it. I have this comb because of the type of hair that I have on now. So I have a big tooth comb. And I have this notebook here. I haven't put anything in it. I haven't switched this out yet. And then I got this cute little pen from Temu. And then this right here came with the bag. And inside I don't have much in here. But I have this vanilla almond lip balm. Got that from Amazon. Then I got this NYX Smooth Whip Lip Cream. And I just have some mouthwash. I have this coin purse here. And I'll put this little chain on here. Isn't that cute? Got that from Amazon. Inside of here, I just have some coins. And this came on the bag too, y'all. It's so cute. Inside of this little pocket, I have some Barbie tissue. And that is all that I have in this beautiful bag. It has very nice gold hardware. And it does have the writing on it. You guys, this bag is really, really nice. Okay, y'all, so this is everything outside of the bag. Yeah, my sister, I told her this bag was on its way. And she was like, I think I'm going to get that bag in the original. I was like, okay, girl. She a little bougie, y'all. That's okay. I love this bag just the same. And it's nice. I really like it. So, y'all, the next couple of clips will be me showing the bag. So, the unboxing is next. Stay tuned. Okay, y'all. So, I wanted to show you how the box was packaged. So it's always packaged very well. It has plastic covering the box. And here's the big, beautiful box. I love their packaging. They make sure your items are not damaged at all. Here's the box. So it came with this bag. Hey y'all, so it came with the papers, with the receipt and the envelope. Came with the ribbon, just in case you want to give it as a gift. Came with this little card here. And it's plastic. Move the box out the way. So this is it in the bag. And here she is. So cute. And this dust bag is really nice quality. I'm telling you, Coee bags, they are very good. I love them. So, of course, this is a strap and everything. They make sure they have this bag on the inside. Very, very nice. Nice. Look at that. And this is the inside of this bag. Just wanted to give y'all the basis of how I look before I put everything in it for the what's in my bag. And this is the front, back, or front, back, side, side, bottom, and it has feet up under the bottom. So nice. Zipper on this side of it. So just wanted to show you how it looked before I did the what's in my bag. Yeah, I know I have this on wrong, but I wanted to show you the details. I will fix it later. But this is called the LV Monogram Carryall. And if you want to get this bag or any of the bags on the Coee site, you can use the code ROSE15 for 15% off. I will leave all the additional information in the description. I hope you enjoyed my what's in my bag and the unboxing. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you, and have a good one.